BBAI stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief short 1-minute video till the end to find out. I'm the only guy in this space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience, and no one else in this space has an actual more videos than me made. So when I'm telling you, like, I've seen what's working for me, I'm not just saying this, I have everything documented. Especially with BBAI, it's a ticker where I'm looking to take further up and buy. You know, beforehand I had like 5 long opportunities, from which 3 were correct, 2 were break-evens. And as it was, you know, slowly pulling down, the one thing that I care most about is the price actually giving me the confirmation so I can take it further up. And that's still what I care most about. Like with BBAI, I have 92 results in the Discord right here. So really there is not lack of coverage with this. And without the proper confirmation, there is no way I'm getting inside a trade. And it's not just getting inside a trade game when trading. There is managing the trade game as well, which is the second game. So I'll keep you updated for sure. And if you want to stay tuned and get free daily stock picks and emails, click the first link in the description. It's free.